my channel, The Baking Diva. And for those of you that are new here, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up on the screen. And I have a helper today whose name is
Lucas.
And I'll put that up on the screen for you. Well, I make sweet and savory dishes, but today I'm going to make an easy, delicious, savory one for you. Tell them what we're making.
Burger sliders.
Cheeseburger sliders, and they're so good. Even he likes them. And he's a fuss pot, right? All right. So what do you say we get started? Ready? Let's get started. All right. The first thing I did off camera is I took 2 pounds of ground beef. I used the 90%, 10%. And I browned it in the frying pan on my stove. I added to it a little bit of salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. Now there's one thing I would tell you to add, and it's in the recipe, but I didn't add it today because my assistant doesn't like it. What is that? Onions. But I'll give you the full recipe at the end of the video down below in the description box, and it will call for some chopped onions. Okay, so now Lucas has the 2 pounds of ground beef here. Okay, now we drained a little bit of oil out of here. There wasn't much in there. I added like a couple of teaspoons of olive oil to it while I was browning it. So what one of the magic ingredients is we are going to take here 1/4 cup of real mayonnaise. Don't use any of that Miracle Whip stuff. Real mayonnaise, and we're going to add it to the ground beef, and we're going to stir it in there really good till it gets all combined. So would you like to do that for me? There's a spoon there and one there. And scrape it out and make sure it gets all mixed in there.
I don't like mayonnaise.
Well, I make it with that all the time and you eat it. So, you know, sometimes you don't have to tell them what's in it, and then they love it, and then, you know how it is. So anyway, he's going to get that all mixed in through the ground beef, all right? Now, the next thing you're going to need is you need these King's Hawaiian rolls. And these happen to be the savory ones. I think you can use the sweet ones, but I prefer the savory ones.
Do you want them to mix this when they put the mayo in?
Yeah, you're going to mix it now. You're going to mix the ground beef, use that small spoon, and you're going to get it all combined in there. Now this is what those King's Hawaiian rolls look like. And if you open up the package, they're usually in one piece like this. Can you see that? And they're not sliced. So I have a large knife here, but you want to slice them, and I think it's easier instead of like, you don't want to separate them. Instead of slicing each one individually, take the knife and just go right through all of the rolls. So let me move this out of the way. That's good. Get that all mixed. Perfect. Keep moving it. And I'm going to slice these rolls right down the middle, just like this. You have to be a little careful because, you know, you could go one way or another, and then you have like a thick part of the roll and a thin part of the roll. But see how I'm doing this? It's going right down. Keep mixing there.
I'm good.
A little bit more. Okay, I'll turn this around and do the other side. Very easy. Okay.
Good?
Good. Okay, now, Lucas is going to hand me a 9 by 13 baking pan. Here we go. Okay. And I have buttered, with real butter, the bottom of the pan. Now, you can see these rolls. See, now they're separated because I cut through them. We have to find the best way to fit them. Now, are you hungry? Wait a minute. No, I can't pull them apart. I think, yeah, I can squeeze one in like that. Let's hold it up and show them.
I got it.
You see that? Hold it up and show them. You're going to need 2 packages. Well, actually, this comes with 12 rolls, but they do have the bigger ones that come with 24 rolls if they have them in your store.
Can you let the chef do this one?
Sure. Well, we'll open it up. I don't know about the cutting. Open that up for me. This is so delicious. I love it. I made it for the family, and everybody went crazy about it. My daughter makes it, and her family loves it. It's really very delicious.
This looks good itself already.
Oh, I know what we'll do. Hold on. Let's here. You hold the box. Let me see how many will fit in here. I think.
No.
Yeah, Lucas wants to eat one, but they're all going to fit in here.
No.
Here, put that over there.
They're not gonna offer.
I think so. Let's see. Let's cut this small one here. Cut it right down the middle. Here we go.
No, I need the bread from the box.
Lucas is hungry. All right. We'll show you how we fit them in a minute. Just squeeze them in a little bit.
I need one.
No, you can't have one. We're on video. You're on live TV.
Please.
You can't have one. Then they won't fit right in the pan. Wait, you hold that for a minute. I want to cut your hand. See how I'm slicing this down? Here we go. I was making this for dinner tonight, but then I said, you know what? While I'm making it, let me just put it on video. So I'm squeezing that in. Hold it up for them, Lucas, so they can see. Hold it up.
That's not mine.
There you go. All right, so now that we know that they fit in, we're taking off the top layer of the buns. I don't want to break them. There you go. You can help me here. We'll just put them down here. There we go. I wanted to show you how they fit in, but otherwise, you just need to put in your bottom.
This one's thick.
Oh, yeah. Well,
That's a big. Oh, you said don't break it.
Let's try to get the tops off here. Can you help me?
This
Okay.
one's not cut.
Yeah, they're all cut. There we go.
This- no, they're not.
Well, you know, gotta cut them all the way through. That's a thick one. Lucas is saying there. All right.
Eat one, Grandma?
Not yet, Lucas. So this is what you want. You want the bottom of your little Hawaiian rolls to be sitting in the pan on top of the pan that you greased with the butter. All right, now what are we doing next, Lucas? Do you know?
Put the meat in.
Well, what we're going to do is to line our rolls with these slices of mild or medium cheddar cheese. Now, Lucas, I'll let you do this. Let me just do one. You take it like this. Oh, you want me to do it? All right. And you just place them on. I think you probably need about maybe 6 or 8 of them. Let's see. You want to cover your bun, and I'll hold it up and I'll show you. You're doing this, don't you? There we go. Comes out so good. There we go. Can you hold that up and show it to them? So that's what you wanted to do. And if you have, oh no! We have to fix those. I always say that you can have fun when you're baking, right? You don't have to be serious. All right. So you get the picture. That's what it's going to look like. Now, if you have an extra piece left over, you can put it on here, or you can eat it. Want some? No.
I want more bread.
Okay. All right. Now next, what are we doing next here? We're going to spread this ground beef all over the top of the cheese. So you start spooning it on, and then I have a spatula. So you spoon it all on, and then I'll spread it out. So you're going to spread the ground beef all over the top of your cheddar cheese. Get it all on top of the cheese. There you go. I'm telling you, this is so good. My daughter actually made it first. She told me about it, and then she said, oh, you know, she has 2 teenagers. She said, oh, the kids loved it. They said to her, make that again. So I said, well, let me have the recipe. And then she gave me the recipe, and I made it, and everybody liked it. And you know what the best thing is? If you have any left over, you can heat these up afterwards, and they come out great. I put a couple of them that we had left over in the air fryer, and they were delicious. They came out crispy and everything.
You guys should go subscribe to her air fryer channel.
I've been keeping up with that, though. We have all the meat in here? All the meat's in here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. so we're just gonna take our spatula, press it down lightly, and make sure all the cheese is covered. Alrighty. Now, what do you think we do next? Do you have any idea?
You put the tops on?
No, but you're close. We have more cheese! We have shredded cheese. Now, our hands are clean. Sprinkle that all over the top of the beef.
See, this type of cheese I like to touch.
You don't like the other one?
No.
No. So basically, it's your bottom of your bread. It's your cheese slices. Lucas. It's your cheese slices. It's your meat. And then it's your shredded cheddar. Try to get all the meat covered. All right. Now, what do you think we do next?
Now you put the buns on.
You think now we put the buns on the top?
Or preheat the oven?
Well, oh, thank you for reminding me. I already did that. What did we preheat it to?
350.
We preheated the oven to 350 degrees. That's right. Okay, so it's already been preheated. All right. So now what we're going to do is take the tops of our buns, just like that. If you can get them all together, great. And you're going to, how do we have them, like this or like this?
The other way.
Like this? Right on top of the mixture.
The cameraman looks a little tired.
Oh my God, Lucas. You're cracking me up. Yeah, it's a lot easier if you can keep it in one piece, but you know, ours broke up a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. Perfect, put those in there.
Can I flat this one out and make it a big one? So I can eat
No, put that in there. I'm gonna give a nice job to do now. So you see how we have it?
Put the butter on.
That's right. Now, what I did is I melted a little bit of butter, and I have that right here, and I have my little basting brush.
I always see this on YouTube.
Oh, you too. So be gentle and baste. You know what baste
Yeah,
means?
baste.
Lightly brush the tops. That's it, of all the rolls.
See, I told you the cameraman was a little tired.
Yeah, he is a little tired today, I know.
He fallen asleep.
He's falling asleep by the camera. Well, we needed his help, right, for this? Now, the recipe also calls for you to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of the rolls. But I'm not going to do that, am I? I don't know if I have sesame seeds. While Lucas is buttering the top of the rolls, I'll go check and see if I have any, but it's optional.
I'll keep you guys from company.
Yeah, talk to him.
So I'm still basting it. It's a lot of bread.
Well, I'm not seeing any.
She does not see any sesame seeds.
I'm not seeing any, but maybe next time I'll buy some and we'll,
I like sesame seeds.
well, that's good. Oh, get this roll here, Lucas, over here.
Yep.
Okay.
You know what we should have done?
What? Get these corners
We should
here.
have got on the bottom of this too.
No, well, I think we want all that cheese to melt. I think we have enough butter. I think we have plenty. Now, we are going to bake these as soon as he's finished putting the butter on the top. I think that's enough. We're going to bake these in our 350 degree oven for just about 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese is melted and the tops are a nice golden brown. So, are we ready to put these in the oven, Lucas? We do have a little mess here, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like. We'll be back when I take it out of the oven and we do a taste testing, because this is our dinner tonight and we're hungry, right? Right. All right, don't go away. All right, took them out of the oven. They're nice and hot and we're starving, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do a taste testing. So I have my spatula here. I'm just gonna cut through these. The end is always the hardest to get out, right?
Yep.
Bring your dish over, Lucas. I think you might have to, oopsie. Bring it over. Oh, wait a minute. They're hot. They're too hot.
Hurry up, Grandma. I'm hungry.
I know, but they're so hot. I can't get them out. There we go. Okay. All right. I might have to give you 4.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Here you go. Wait, give me your dish. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. That's because we're rushing, Lucas. We're trying to eat these too fast. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Cameraman, can you see this? Look at, let me cut that there. Looks delicious. Ready, Lucas? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Here you go, Lucas. Woohoo! Let me get mine out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. These sure look good. Let's move this out of our way a little bit. Let's see what we think. Doing our taste testing. Ready?
I don't even know where to put it out of.
They're hot. Hold your dish up so they can see them. Cameraman, say, look at that. All right. See, I would have liked them with a little onion in it, but can't, you gotta please everybody. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You still like it?
Oh, yeah. And they're so easy to make. And look at how many you have here. Good?
Uh-huh.
Ha, 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 ha. So good. So good. Very good. Well, what do we say to them, Lucas? Lucas doesn't say anything. He's too hungry, right? All right. Well, thank you, everyone, for watching. I know this was kind of scattered, but I will put the full recipe in the description box below the video. But right now, we're going to eat because we're starving, and I'm sure the cameraman's dying to come over here because he's probably starving too. Look at this one. Telling you, it's hard to find things that everybody likes. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's a great, easy meal to make. Give it a try. Young and old alike will enjoy it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did. So, for now, I'll see you very soon. Love you. What do we say? Toodles!
Toodles!